Yes, schema, see food and the food done. Me taste it. Schemas, wagwan. Yeah, man, me there, you know, say, me there feel hungry and say me I go run a one boat. Is it? Yeah, man, so I go buy some chicken and rice. So I say me I go mash up some curry chicken and rice. Is it? Yeah, man, that's a code. So here we go on. Just stay tuned to the video and on stay while go on. You know, Rickety Schemas. Big up my team. You know, we outside. I go run a boat. I go cook. Watch the video. Yes, so see them. I already got a shop. Go buy everything already. Yeah, man, see the chicken. This are the chicken. You know, this are the butter. Forgot with the rice. This are the rice. You know, a curry, we have to curry the chicken, so you know, me have to buy the curry. And you know, Maggi straight, you know what I mean? Nothing but Maggi. And see there, I pick them 2 pepper yard. I have a pepper tree on the back part of my yard, so I pick them 2 pepper yard off of the pepper tree. You know what I mean? Yeah, the season then, you know what I mean? We got a shop already go buy season and everything, so you know, both are going to run. See, you know me, an advertisement for cola, but I like my cola. I can't do no day without a cola. A cola, I say. You know what I mean? So schemas, watch the video, watch nice cooking, watch nice boat. Then. Alright, you know me, I start with the chicken first. So you know? You know me, I go put the chicken in this, season up and bait, you know what I mean? That is it. See the chicken, add little water to it, you don't know. You have to clean up the chicken. You put water to it. Water. Yeah, and not really much me I cook. Me nah cook for feed the village. Yeah, me just you know what I mean? Real authentic Jamaican style of cooking. You know what I mean? Yeah, so we are doing it. Don't give me mercy. Don't give me mercy. You know say we not thirsty. Get the knife. Bust them throats. This name run a boat. Think the first time I'm gonna see me I cook on the channel, but I don't wanna see cooking going on the channel. But the first time I'm gonna see me. Oh, I lie. Remember one Labor Day when I cook. I'm gonna end up spoil the rice. And from that, I don't make no more cooking video because listen. Make the rice spoil. Me did just try put in too much rice than the way the pot can manage. You know what I mean? Because them give me the information wrong. The pot can only hold 5 pounds of rice, and them give me the pot and tell me say it's a 15-pound pot. Anyway, me should have known still, but remember me and no chef, me never yet cook them massive pot there. You see it? Yeah, so them give me the pot and tell me say a 15-pound the pot can carry. So me say, alright, I'm going to put in 10 pounds of rice in my pot, because if a 15-pound it can carry, 10 pounds of easy steam feed. Right till the pot was a 5-pound pot. I be a foolinish. You know what I mean? Ricardo, see if you can turn down your radio for me a little bit, because I don't want to hear it in my video, yeah? Yes, so I get off the skin them off for chicken. Okay, yeah. Ricardo, see if you can turn on the TV there for me to hear. Please and thanks, my son. You know what I mean? You know, say me and my son. You know, my sister. There is it. My mother too. You know, I cook no massive pot. It's a cook a small pot. Remember, just a boat. It's not dinner. It's just a boat. I must say a long time I no go no some authentic content so. You know what I mean? I say me go boops, baps, baps, beps. You know what I mean? Remember me a no countryman in a town me live so. Remember me now can go to the whole heap of video them a river and the video them a cook out under the tree or in the woods and them something about. Me I go try still. You see it cause I want to build the channel. You know, a Schemers TV, you see it? That is it. Yeah, me I get off with all of the skin, all of the fat me don't really like. Me don't really cook with skin and me don't really cook with the fat. So me I get off all of the skin, all of the fat. Me don't like chicken on the skin dip on it. So me have to get off all of the skin, all of the fat them. That is cool. You don't have to get them off, you know, especially when you fry your chicken. But me I get it off because curry me I go curry. Schemers, food I go cook. Sam's a reach at least about tell him to come. Alright, see this is the vinegar. Vinegar cut out rawness. Cause you know we don't do the raw. Mad. Yes, so you know, so me I go chew on the season. So, Maggi. Side chicken season. Side chicken season, Maggi chicken season. Sure, I can see it. Hey Maggi, let me tell you this. Make this something easier for pull. You may I tell you no? Jano. I don't want time for this pull. One look up, I can see it. I don't have no scissors. I don't have any scissors. And this is our all purpose. All purpose. It's a all purpose. Yeah. Schemers, everybody cook them curry different. You get me? You have some people burn the curry. You get me? You have some people put the curry on the meat. You have some people that put the curry on the meat and put the curry on the rice. But me, put the curry on the meat and then I burn the curry same way. So, I put curry on the meat. I'm still burn it still. And put some on the meat. Put some on the meat. I'm gonna leave some in the pot for burning at the pot. When time I'm ready, when I'm done season up and ready for cook. Yeah, I have some left for throw in the pot and burn the curry in the pot. You schemers throw in the rest of season them on the food. You see it? We out here, you know I want Ricky T, Schemers TV. Remember to like, share, subscribe. You see, big up the rest of team members them on my channel. Big up Jamil, big up Crystal. You know what I mean? Big up my team members them. That is it. Yeah man, I run about still, the food not done yet, not even start. Yeah man, see you season this so. You know me I got stir it round and the down and the down and the down. Stir it round. That is it. Yeah. Water you see now water right today. Water run off of the chicken after I wash them a while ago. The water is still depend them, but you know that now do it nothing. Yeah, look at vinegar water when you wash them off. Wait, but you know that good. Yeah. Round and round and round and round and round and round. That is it. We are curry. Yes, schema, see pot there. Fire! Yeah, me I use a big pot here. The reason why I use a big pot here is because I just want to use a big pot here. Yeah, but I don't use such a big pot. See, the new pot get hot. Pot get hot. That is it. So you know, so the pot get hot now. You know, me go throw in the oil. Oh yeah, cup oil. Put in the oil. That is it. Now me go wait till the oil get hot. Then me put in the curry. Boop. Schemers, me don't know if the pot hot yet. So me go test. I will test if the oil hot. Me can feel it. Alright. That looks like it hot enough. That looks like it hot enough. Pepper. Curry. This is, oh, you burn your curry. Burn your curry. Yeah, I really may get this. It's nice smelling on my nose. And then I'm going to put my meat them on it now. Feed them schemers. And this now, right, so we just use a bomb now. Put local water on this. You know what I mean? Yeah, this is the water, the curry water and everything. I would just pour it in there. Yes. That is it, schema, see there? Yeah, I'm going to allow it to go and cook a little bit. But I should cut up that one end and I forgot to cut up that one there. So, just a quick boat me around, not enough people me around for us. 3 or 4 away. This can share. Yeah, my schemers, so stay tuned and see how it look when it's done. Yeah, so meanwhile that over there so now cook. I'm gonna deal with the seeds of them. Yeah, tell me that so see tell me I peel the Irish. Yes, so me peel the Irish. Ricardo, make sure the people them see my face on the video, Ricardo. Yeah. People big up my son back at the camera. Ricardo hold the camera for me. No one must see me now only 5 video them. Whereas when I first video them, I post I went and them I got to school. Yeah, so me there I peel the Irish, yeah. Schemers they mash up they mash up the meat board, so you know what I mean? Yeah, pause the video a little bit there, Ricardo. Yeah. So now me there I peel the Irish. Ricardo.
Yeah.
I want you to tell them, the people them, when time I done cook, how the food tastes, you know. Don't tell them no lie to me and your father, you know.
Yeah.
Give them an honest review. Is it? Yes, so I cut up the Irish. Cut up the Irish. Yes, schemers and mash up the meat board, so I use other means that cut up my thing there. That was the Irish. Stop it, Ricardo. Now I scrape the carrot. Yeah man, big up the people them on the channel where I watch the video, they remember to just like and subscribe. You know, Schemers TV. Pause it, Ricardo. I'm put all the body tonight, you know, just put around yeah, around that. I like the flavor it in the food, yeah, around that. Pepper. And the seed I want in there because I want it hot. I'm going to bring the onion. This is the onion. This is the onion. I like the flavor of onion too, I not lie to you. If onion in your food come like it, not gonna. Schemas, I could have put more seasoning in it, but I work with them. I'm not too crowded. Remember, say, I just look at 2 pounds of chicken I buy and see me around about. Onion. Onion. Check my pot. Okay, now. Yeah, check my pot. This APC, madam. Relax your temper. Curry chicken. Curry smell nice already. Ah! Oh, I never make it. Let's see when I train something. Yeah, I train the onion and the Irish and the tomato because you don't know what them well simmer down in the gravy. That are cold outside. You see the people? Yeah man, Schemas spot a bubble down, see there? The meat I need for I should have cut up the meat, it slipped past me, I don't know. Maybe I threw me a move too fast, let that one slip past me, but I'm going to take that one there on my plate still, so yeah, I don't know. That is it. Yeah, so see it then? It's a bubble down. I don't know if you can see the curry good pan it because I don't know if my phone will show you the real quality. You get me because based on how I look on it and how I look on the pot have more color than what I see on the phone, but I say it go. Yeah man, so stick around and watch the food I cook. Remember me not put on the rice yet? Boop. Yes, so Schemas, watch this rice now. Let me wash the rice. This is washing the rice. Bad boat me around. One more wash of the rice. I don't want a dirty rice that me use in a Schemas. I want the good rice. So I'm not feeling no worry for washing. Cause see already the rice look clean. So I feel no washing the rice. put in the gold seal. Alright, so you know we're ready to go. That is it. Yes, so Skima's gonna take off the meat. Finish. Take off the meat that don't cook. Time for the rice. Bam. Yeah, so through my video, I cook them one at a time. You know what I mean? Yeah, that is the rice. Stay tuned for the video. Stay tuned and watch the video and see how the food look when you're done. What are your Skimas? What are you? So Skima, see there, rice in a pot. You know you used to choose a pressure cooker pot, now I use cook the rice in a, you know my freezer normal cover. You know, you can't go put it down on it. You have to just use a normal cover because it's a pressure cooker pot, we not pressure on the rice. Yeah man, see the Skima, so watch the video. Yes, Skima, see food and the food done. Me taste how it tastes. See them? Rice shelly. Shelly. Listen.